Another text function in this chapter is the concatenate function. This function in Excel is designed to join different parts of the text together or to combine the values of several cells in one cell. The arguments of this function include text 1, which is the first text value to join together. Text 2 is the second text value to join together. The point here is that the concatenate function in Excel 2019 has been replaced by the concat function, which has exactly the same syntax. Although the concatenate function has been kept for compatibility with previous versions, but it's recommended to use the concat function instead, as Microsoft makes no guarantee that the concatenate function will be available in future versions of Excel. The next point is that instead of the concatenate function, you can also use the AND operator or Shift plus 7. And the next point is that numbers are converted to text when joined. Well, thanks for staying with me. Look, if we enter a name in this cell and another name in the next cell, if we execute the command concatenate for those two cells, you will see that these two cells will be displayed together in one cell. And even if we want to use its shortcut, for example, and, you will see that the same function is executed. Now, if we want to create a space between these two cells that are stuck together, it's enough to add a space or a space inside the double quotation mark in the formula. And when we press enter, you will see that these two names will be shown to us at a distance. Well, when we want to use the concatenate function, we see a sign next to it, which is an abbreviation. This means that this function will be obsolete and will be removed, and it will be replaced by the concat function. The difference between the concat function is that we can select two cells together, but in the concatenate function, we had to select them separately, and they are not selected together. And if the number of texts is large, it will cause problems. Because of this, Excel has replaced this function with the concat option.